What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. It's 7 o'clock right now. I've been up since 6 something. My son woke up and yeah, I decided let's do a get ready with me. We're gonna go to San Diego. We're doing like few nights. We're doing a few nights out in San Diego and stuff. Yeah, let's go ahead and get first things first. I'm gonna start off with the NYX brow glue. So I've really been loving this. The only brow stuff I've tried is the NYX one, this one, and then the Benefit brow one as well. But all I'm doing is brushing my hair up and then these ones to the side. So once I lay my brows flat and stuff, they get tacky. So just let them dry. And if you are using that, I prefer to use that first, because if you're brushing them up, you can ruin like your foundation and stuff. Next thing I go in is this First Aid Beauty niacinamide eye cream, and this eye cream, I absolutely love it. It has a pearlescent like glow to it. So I get a good amount of this and apply it under my eyes. I also don't just use it for under my eyes. I kind of like take the nose, like put it on the nose, and then like the forehead, sometimes on the chin and stuff. Next thing, y'all, this is like, I'm almost done with like the face, honestly. The next thing is the Sun Bum Glow 30, and this is the moisturizing sunscreen face lotion. So I absolutely been loving this one. Definitely gives a great glow to the skin, and so I just apply straight onto my face. This one's mine, so no one else is using this. So I'll just go ahead and apply this. It's giving a beautiful glow to the skin. So let me check my mirror, make sure I didn't miss any spots, because sometimes I be missing spots. And then for an extra glow, because I'm extra, I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury, the Flawless Filter in 4 medium. You guys know I love this stuff so much. There's so many ways that you can use it. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheeks, tip of the nose, on my forehead. I love to do my chin. And if you are someone that has oily skin, you might not like this kind of combo kind of thing going on, because it does leave me very like dewy and stuff. So definitely just see how your skin is, or just try it out and stuff. And I like to go in with my fingers. Sometimes I'll use a beauty blender to blend all this out. The next thing is going to be mascara, and I have been using the Merit mascara. If you'll focus on the packaging, this is their packaging with the gold top, and this is Perfect Black is the name of this one. And I've really been liking this mascara. I really want to try some more drugstore brands and stuff, and just find like what really works best for me. But so far this has been pretty nice. See how glowy the skin is. I know this might be a little too much for some people. Also, I have this light that's like beaming on me, so it's making me more shiny kind of. So pretty much this is the skin. If you want to go in with some like cream bronzer, or if you need to set some certain areas that you don't want super dewy and stuff, definitely set those areas. Last step that I'm going to do is my lips, and this is the Makeup Forever, and this is a new shade for me. This shade is Endless Cacao. So that's what that looks like. It's more of a kind of muted tone. I definitely seen Makeup by Ariel use this, so I for sure was influenced. And he paired it with Bobbi Brown, what is it, something pink. If you want to see like a little tutorial on that, let me know. And then the last thing is my Sephora. This is a cream lip stain, and it's a pretty nude, and the number is 32. I absolutely love this nude lip stain, and they have so many colors. This is from the Sephora collection, and what I like to do is just tap it out. Okay, so I'm switching to my phone real quick, but this is the outfit that I am wearing for today. Definitely the bump is bumping. We are out there and stuff. And then this is like one of my favorite like little jackets that I got from Marshall's I think a few months ago and stuff. So all I did was just tie it up and stuff, really cute. And then I have these sandals that I got from Forever 21. This dress, I probably, know what I mean, I probably got it from Ross like a long time ago, and this is like my second time wearing it. So I think it's just really cute and stuff. And yeah, this is today's outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to recording on my camera, but yeah, this is the OOTD. Let me know what you think in the comments, you guys. But I feel very, very pregnant and pretty right now. Okay, and I am super excited because today we have a sponsorship, and it's from the brand called Be Kind. So they created this jewelry brand with the mission to help the bee colonies around the world. So when you do make a purchase, donate 10% of each purchase, a pollinator partnership, and to other nonprofits. So that is amazing. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, and you also get a coupon from me. So I would definitely, I will write down here, I will leave the code for you guys to get 20% off. This is their packaging. It's called Be Kind. Really sweet. This packaging is recyclable, so it's already showing you what their brand is about and everything. So I'm gonna be opening this with you guys. They give you like a little card and stuff, and it just says Be Kind. They give you some cute stickers, so that is very thoughtful. And then the thank you card, and they also like give you like 20% off and stuff. So this is pretty cool. But I'm really obsessed with this packaging. Like, look how cute. It says especially for you. So this is their packaging. I was able to pick out some really pretty pieces, and this is their sunflower necklace. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking this today. Like, look how cute, especially if you're really into like sunflowers and stuff. This is the site to check out, you guys. So pretty. The next thing I chose was a really pretty sunflower ring. Hopefully you guys can see that. I will definitely do a up close footage take on the jewelry pieces and stuff. Everything will be linked down below as always. So thank you again to Be Kind. You guys are awesome, and these pieces are absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to put them on because I'm just super excited. And some flowers are really pretty. So I just put the jewelry pieces on, and you guys, they are super cute. I'm gonna show you the ring. So it is adjustable. Like, look how cute this is. And then here is the necklace. It has like, it can be adjustable to like, I think 2 different sizes and stuff. But I love it because it looks so dainty and stuff, and just really cute. And I feel like it looks really pretty with today's outfit and everything. So yeah, I just love how dainty everything looks, and I'm for sure gonna be wearing this today and stuff. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you guys enjoyed everything, like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Let me know in the comments what you think about today's video, and then before you leave, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.